Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of e-commerce, specifically a method called dropshipping. Now, before you glaze over, hear me out. Dropshipping allows you to sell products online without having to hold any inventory yourself. Imagine this: you have a killer online store with trendy phone cases, but instead of a garage overflowing with boxes, you partner with suppliers who hold and ship the products directly to your customers. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Well, that's where Spocket comes in. Spocket is a platform that connects you with awesome dropshipping suppliers, making it easier than ever to launch your online business. But with so many options out there, is Spocket the right choice for you? Let's find out. Step 1. Signing up and setting sail. First things first, you'll need a Spocket account. Signing up is a breeze, and they even offer a free trial to test the waters. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly dashboard, your dropshipping command center. Step 2. Finding your niche, the goldmine of products. Now for the fun part, picking the products you'll sell. Spocket boasts a huge selection from a variety of categories, so finding your niche is crucial. Here are some tips. Passion pays off. Choose products you're genuinely excited about. Your enthusiasm will translate to your marketing and customer interactions. Market research matters. Don't just pick what you like. Look for trending products with high demand and low competition. Tools like Google Trends can be your friend here. Profit potential. Consider the profit margin on each product. You'll need to factor in Spocket's fees and your desired markup to ensure a healthy bottom line. Spocket has some handy features to help you navigate this selection process. Their product discovery tool surfaces trending items, and you can filter by factors like profit margin, shipping location, and even integration with your chosen e-commerce platform. Step 3. Building your dream store from Spocket to your platform. Once you've selected your winning products, it's time to import them into your online store. Spocket integrates seamlessly with popular platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Wix. The process is usually a breeze. Just follow the on-screen instructions specific to your platform. Step 4. You've got mail. Fulfilling those orders. Congratulations! You've got your first sale. Here's where the beauty of dropshipping kicks in. When a customer places an order on your store, you simply forward it to Spocket. They handle everything from picking and packing to slapping on the shipping label and sending it off to your customer. Spocket even provides branded tracking information, so your customers have a seamless experience and see your brand throughout the fulfillment process. Step 5. The business of dropshipping, more than just uploading products. Remember, dropshipping is a real business, and there's more to it than just picking products. Here are some additional things to consider. Customer service is king. Since you won't have direct control over fulfillment, excellent customer service is essential. Be responsive to inquiries, address issues promptly, and build trust with your audience. Marketing magic. You need to drive traffic to your store. Utilize social media marketing, explore paid advertising options, and consider search engine optimization, SEO, to get your store noticed. Building your brand. Your brand is more than just a logo. Develop a strong brand identity that resonates with your target audience. With that said, thanks for watching. If you're looking to explore the exciting world of dropshipping, Spocket is a great platform to get you started. Remember, dropshipping requires dedication and effort, but with the right approach, it can be a rewarding way to launch your online business dream. Until next time, happy selling.